Hi, my name is Anil. In this video I will show you how to download, install and configure intelliJ. Go to Google and search download intelliJ. This will take you to jetbrains.com website. You can see Ultimate and Community editions. Ultimate edition contains lot of features and it is commercial. Community edition is free and has less features, comparison you can see on the site. Once you download and install, we can configure the intelliJ using Preferences drop-down menu as shown in the screen and also install plugins. But we will create new project here. If you have not downloaded and installed Java already, we can download JDK within intelliJ itself. If already downloaded, we can use it. Here we can enter project name and project location details. Now we will create package com.inil and create a class hello and write main method in that. We will print hello world on the console and run the program. If we want to change the font and appearance, go to Preferences menu in Mac. On Windows it is on File menu Settings. Here you can change dark or light theme and also IDE font. If you want to change editor font, search for font, select font under editor and change it. Plugins extends the IDE functionality. If you want to install plugins, search plugins and select plugins. Here we can find plugins like Scala and others. I have already installed some of the plugins here like Lombok. We can play with the different settings and change them. Now I will show how to change JDK. For that, go to File menu and choose Project Structure. Here in the Project tab, select Project SDK. We can change to different JDK. Also we can change modules, libraries, facets, artifacts and other things. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.